Hello guys, my name is Himanshu and you're watching Himanshu Dance Vasava the channel. So finally I'm going to teach you the dance choreography of Wow, as I got so many requests. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. और जिनको ये ट्यूटोरियल हिंदी में समझना है वो ऊपर से कैप्शंस में जाके हिंदी टर्न ऑन कर दे ताकि जो भी मैं बोलूँगा वो नीचे हिंदी में लिख के आएगा. In this video I will show you the dance move only so you can learn the choreography. I will not perform the whole choreography continuously. And if you want to see the whole choreography, you can watch our dance video. I will put the link in description, or you can watch from I button or at the end screen. So let's begin it. Okay, first of all you have to face on your right side and step back from your left. Okay, now you have to combine the wave, like wave in with the step back. Okay, so like this one. Now go back from your right. Now step left, left in, right tap and stand up. When you step right leg, your right hand gonna go out, then left out, then right in and left in. Okay, now you have to do chest pop, tuk tuk, la 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 la, boop boop. Okay, like this, da 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 da, boop boop. Now you have to slide on your right side and you have to wave like this. Okay, so wave. Now legs open, you have to get little bit down and leg open like this. Okay, now you have to switch one and switch out. Okay, so slide, get down, switch in, switch out, and turn your right, turn your left, take a pause, go back from your left, then right and slide on a left. Okay, so like this, left, right, slide. After this, both will lean down to up on left side. Now girl will do a body wave like swimming. Grab her waist gently so she don't get imbalanced, and now throw her on left side and turn her on right side from her waist. Now you have to do the step like you're running forward like this, right, left, right and open. Okay, so this is like, baby I'm not even in a gown. Okay, grab the girl like this, right side, left side, and grab each other's hand. Now take this hand chain on left shoulder, right shoulder, cross them and open the hands. So now open your hands and you have to go on your right side like this, right leg and down, and your hands gonna be like up and down. Now you have to take your left leg up. Okay, so you have to turn and take your left leg up like this. Now step forward, leg down and right leg up. Okay, now you have to kick it and cross and turn on your left side. Now you have to jump on your left side like this, right forward, left follows, again right forward, left follows and jump. Okay, again 5 6 7 go, 1 2 and 3. Okay, try to stay down as low as you can, down and jump. You have to clap with your leg. So now you have to take your right hand and do round and face here. Now take your left hand from right to left. Okay, so 5 6 7 go, round, freeze, take it left and wave. Okay, so you have to wave from left to right and give a look. So okay, so now you have to cross the hands like this, the right and the left. Now go down, flip it on left side. When you go down, flip, your right hand gonna catch more down here, and now slide it up and flip it again like this. Okay, so you have to complete the square. 1 2 3 and 4. So when you flip your hand to the right, at the same time you have to take your left leg out. Okay, so zoom. Now you have to do the shuffle. So left in, right out, right in, left out. Okay, so it would be like this, 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 and 2. So now you have to point on left side, then right side and grab your partner's hand. Okay, so this is now salsa portion. Grab each other's right hand from back side, turn and make a cross chain. Now you have to turn again and open the chain, and again turn to cross and make a chain. Okay, now let's do a deep. Let her go down and roll her downside and open the chain. Now pull her. Okay, this is the simple lift. You have to lean from right to left, turn. So now you have to step forward from right leg, right, then left, right and left, open, and your hand is gonna like a cross it and open. Now you have to punch up, punch down and sit little bit and punch again down. Okay, so like this. Good job. Drop, say my. So now you have to hop on your right leg 2 times like this. 1, 2 and jump on your left leg. Now jump, punch and kick. Okay, 3 things are together. So let's do it from here. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, punch. Now open your leg, go on side and you can do anything. Okay, it's your choice, do it as you want. Now you have to take your left leg out and swing your right hand upside and both in. Okay, so 1 and 2. Now do it on a right. So right leg out and in. So right leg out and your left hand gonna swing up and down. Okay, so 1 and 2 and. So now let's do the shoulder step on your right side. 1, 2. Now left side 3, 4. Okay, so leg would be like this: left, right, right, left, and 1, 2, zip. Okay, so now girl will do the twerk and we have to do like this: 1, 2. Now slide on your right side and tap your left leg behind right leg like this: 1, 2. Okay, slide and 1, 2 and jump. So tap, tap, jump. Now you have to grab your waist like this, crisscross on your left side, open on your right side, grab your shoulders and jump. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right, grab, jump, down. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you have to twist on your left side like this: 1 and again down. Okay, so it will be like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so after this you have to just do the funky step. You have to move right, left, right like this. Okay, grab it, right side, left side, right side and turn on your left. Okay, so right, left, right, left. Now you have to do the MJ walk: 1, 2, 3. Okay, so simply it's like 1, 2, 3, side, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so another funky step like this: shoulder up, go a little bit down, turn your body and right shoulder up. Okay, so left, down, right, down, left, down, right. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 and the 4. Okay, so after this you have to do back side, back side, back side. Okay, it is so simple. And after this you have to just turn the girl.
I hope you enjoyed learning this choreography. Click here to watch full dance video and click on logo to subscribe our channel. Do comment and let me know your experience. Thank you and stay tuned for more dance videos. Bye bye.